What's your impressions of the conference so far?
Well, I'm very pleased indeed. In fact, I just get this feeling that there's a new breeze blowing through Plaid Cymru. It's very well attended. We were here for a meeting starting at 9:30 this morning, and after a long day of conference yesterday, that's pretty impressive. We had a very inspiring and important, I think, talk by Leanne Wood, who's the new leader of Plaid Cymru. She's marking a new period, I think, in the growth of this party. She represents several new phases for us. I mean, she comes from an English-speaking background, and that's new for us as a leader of the party. She is very much on the left. We are a party of the left, but she edges us a little further on our path to democratic socialism. We call it community socialism. And also Leanne is very, very strong on environmental matters. So we hope that environmental ideas of localism, etc., will come even more strongly. They're already there in Plaid Cymru's policy, but they'll now come even more strongly into the mainstream of our party's policy. So I'm very heartened by the conference as it is now.